Hey everybody, Jim King with King Piers out here in Lee Summit. We got a 12 King Pier, 11 or 12 King Pier holes we got to dig out here. 3 on the side, 2 in the front. Here of the stoop and some in the back. We're going to level this house over here on this side that's sinking. The man in the hole right there is Mr. Hubert Dow, 1983 graduate from Truman High School. Rex's Raiders superstar.
Right.
Pole vault. Was you a state champ?
No.
What was you?
No.
Did you place?
Place, yeah, third.
How high did you jump?
14-3.
13-3.
14-3.
14 foot
Yeah,
3 inches.
right there.
Pole vault. Burt Dow. All right. Stay tuned, folks. We'll be done out here in a few days. We're going to work through this weather. It ain't going to stop us. KingPiers.com.